Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Indian YouTuber in Poland. I hope you all are doing well. I am doing absolutely amazing. You can see I have started my day. So this video clip is from the morning. So I thought today I will show you how to make masala tea. So you can see I have taken one deep pot or pan you can take, and here I am making tea for two people. So two person, and I'm showing you need to take one pot, and if you are making a tea for two person, then you need 2 cups. Then you need to take 1 full cup of water. You can see that I have added 1 cup of water, and then let it boil for a minute, and then you have to add tea dust. So here I am showing you the tea which I am going to use today, the tea dust, and the brand is Wagh Wakari. This is one of the brand from India. It is easily available in any Indian store, but if you want you can use the Polish tea as well if people are watching me from Poland. So you can use the Saga tea, which is easily available in any supermarket, or you can use the Lipton tea as well, or any tea dust, or if you have any tea bag you can just cut the bag and use the tea dust. So here, as I told you, I am making masala tea. So I am showing you some masalas which I am gonna grind manually. If you want you can grind in the mixer as well. So here I have taken one small piece of ginger, two like 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, some cloves. So I am just doing this manually. If you have no time, if you are in hurry, you can just make a mixture in the blender as well. Once the tea is boiling on the other side, till the time you can prepare this fresh masala so that you will get amazing aroma and the fragrance in your tea. So you can see that the masala is ready. This is the tea masala which we use in India to give a great aroma in your tea, and especially in winters this tea is just amazing for a start. So you can see I have added the masala into the tea water. Here I will let it boil for a minute or two so the aroma will goes and mix completely in the water which we are boiling along with the tea dust. So as I told you, I am making this tea for two people. So 1 cup I have added water, and 1 cup I am gonna add milk. So together it will be 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. So it is 2 cups. That is the equal proportion which I use for my tea. But if you like less milk, you can just adjust according to your taste as well. More of water, more of milk, anything. But this is the perfect, proportion to make a great Indian masala chai, like half water and half milk. So the milk which I am using here is 3.2%. You can use any percent like 1 or 2 as well. So here I have added the milk as well. Now everything is added apart from the sugar. Sugar now I am going to add, you can see. So for 1 cup I normally take 2 teaspoons of sugar. So this I am making for 2 cups. So I am adding 4 teaspoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar again according to your taste. If you like more sugar, you can add more. If you like less sugar, then you can add less as well. And now you can see I was showing you the gas flame. It is on full because I am standing there itself. If you are doing some other work as well while making tea in the morning, so you can keep the gas on low flame. So now the gas is on high flame, and I will let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. And then you need to be very careful once it will start boiling. Either you can stand there itself, or you can keep the gas on low flame. So I was just showing you here, and I will tell you again till the time the tea is boiling. So I am making tea for 2 person, like 2 cups. So 1 cup I have added water, and 1 cup I have taken milk, and then I have added the masala. It was like 3-4 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 small stick of cinnamon, some peppercorns, and the black peppercorn I have taken. If you have white, you can take the white as well, and a small piece of garlic. So you can see that the tea started boiling. So we have to let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. So the masala will mix nicely in the tea and also the milk and everything, the sugar. And then you can see I have taking the big boils on the tea because I'm standing there itself. If you are not there, you can just keep it on low flame and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. The more you will boil, the more tasty your tea will become. So I have boiled it for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I will stain it. So you can just, till that time, you can prepare your cups and take a tea stainer here. So you can see I have taken a nice big cup because in the morning I really want a big cup of tea instead of the small one to start my day. And I have taken one tea stainer as well, and I'm staining my tea here. The aroma was so amazing. I wish I can, you guys can smell the aroma as well from the video. And the tea as well, it was just amazing, and it was really boosting to boost my day and start with full of energy. So the tea is ready. I hope. So the tea is ready. Now get ready to go to the market because it's a weekend, and let's go and do the shopping. So here you can see after the tea I made some light breakfast, and now I was ready to go to the market, and here I am at the tram station, and you can see the tram has already came, and now I am going to one of the biggest mall of my city, which is Manufactura Mall. After the lockdown, I am going for the first time. I thought I will make a video as well, and I will show it to you guys as well how it looks after the lockdown. So now I am in the tram, and you can see here my husband is standing and he is taking the tickets. So this is the ticket counter where it is written Bilti in Polish. So you have to take the tickets from here, and then you need to punch the ticket in the box. I will show you. So the tram has started, and I was standing in the back, and you can see the tram was almost full. So now, as I told you in my last video as well, though officially the lockdown is over here, but still some offices and schools are not yet open because we still have some counts of corona. So here my husband has taken the ticket and he had already punched in the box. You can see that, and we have already reached the mall as well. The mall is so close to my house, so it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to go to the mall. So this is the biggest mall of my city, and the name is Manufactura. As soon as you go inside, you can see in the corner this roller coaster has started, and it was so amazing, and the day was also so nice. It was not sunny and not cold as well, so it was a perfect day for a shopping or for a outing. So you can see the cloud, and wow, it was looking so beautiful. So you can see this mall is very, very, very big. I hardly come to this mall because you have to walk a lot, and you have to almost walk, you can see in the middle. So that is the Manufactura Mall, and this is the walking, you have to walk a lot to go inside the mall, almost a kilometer. And this side are all the restaurants, and in the middle there is a mall, and on the sides there are restaurants, cafe, and some other small shops. And so you can see there are so many people as well. And now, as I told you in my last video as well, that now the mask is not mandatory here, but if you are in public place, you have to use the mask for your safety as well as for other. You can see half of the people, they are using the mask, but half of the people, they are not using it. But as per the government law here, it is clearly informed that when you are in public place and when you are with more than 150 people, then you have to definitely wear a mask. But many people were not using, so that's okay, but I was using, and even my husband, you can see in the video as well. So now I have entered inside the mall, and I was just showing you the brands which we have in this mall. So here is the H&M, which is one of my favorite brand. because for girls this is really a nice shop, the good quality of cloth and also pocket friendly as well. So but I did not visit today because now I have enough of clothes, like new clothes which I did not use due to lockdown as well. So now I have to directly go into the shop to buy some grocery and some uh, house things. So you can see it was like quite full, the mall. People were enjoying the weekend. This is one of my favorite flower shop which I was showing you. I normally buy flowers from this shop. You can see so colorful and so lovely and fresh flowers are there. So this one rose is for 5 zloty, which is almost 100 rupees. One rose is for. So the shopkeeper, the lady was sitting inside and she was looking at me, and I told her that I was taking a video of the flowers. They are looking so beautiful. You can see I was just showing you the price as well. It was written like 5 zloty for one rose. And now you can see the elevator. Yes, I have to go from here, and on the first floor itself you will find the shop. I normally buy my grocery from there. So here, this is the medical, the apteka, the store from where you can just go and buy medicines. So this is Onsham, where I have to go and buy my grocery for today. So here are, you can find all the brands here, almost everything what you want. Everything is available in this mall. That is the reason it is very very big. It almost takes a day or two to visit or to roam around the complete mall. I normally don't go here and there because it takes too much time to walk and look. So I normally just come and visit this only store where you can find everything. So this was on promotion. Wherever you will find it is written in red, you can see promo. That means it is on promotion, means it is on discount. So I was just checking what is in the discount, whether it is useful or not. So there were some doormats or some carpets which was on the promotion, but I didn't need it, so I have not taken it. And I was just taking you to the lanes, you know, some pots and pans and everything. So you can find everything in this particular shop, and the price is also very reasonable, and the variety is really huge and vast. So you can easily take your time and select whatever you want. I wanted one pan to shoot my videos, but I didn't like it, or I didn't have that much time to, you know, go through each and every pot and just finalize it, because I was in little hurry. It was morning time as well, and there were so many people in the mall, and the line, the billing line was very big. So that's the reason I was thinking maybe I'll come some other day. I will just quickly pick what I really needed, and I should go in the billing line because the line was really big. So I was just showing you, you can see now it's a springtime here, so there were some open umbrellas for your garden and everything. So this section is for the kids. For you can see there are so many toys, and mostly half of the toys were on promotion, maybe because they were locked down for 3-4 months and now they have so much of stock. So mostly half of the things were on promotion. You can see the red tags, that means this is on promotion. So if some kids are watching me, they'll get happy to see such huge collection of toys and games. So now I'm going in the other lane. So this lane is for the clothes and the other side are for the drinks. And now this particular shop inside the mall itself is very big. And now I am into the cosmetic department because I wanted to pick some perfume, some creams and some cosmetic stuff. So I will show you as well the brands which are available in this particular mall. You can see we have Nivea, Garnier, L'Oreal, almost all the brands which are easily available in India as well. They all are available here as well. So it's not like something different or something, you know, unique we have here. Almost each and everything is easily available in India as well. So there is nothing strange that, oh wow, we have the same brands. Yes, we have the same brands what we get in India, almost same, though they have some different particular their own shop made brands as well, but I normally prefer the same which I used to use in India for so many years, because it is always good what you are using. You should continue the same thing so that your skin will adjust according to it. Now I was almost done with my shopping and with the billing. I did not shoot the billing because it was too big and too crowded. So now I am out of the mall with my shopping, and I was showing you the crowd. You can see so many people were there. It was almost full. You can see, like, so this is the outside area of the mall where you can sit nicely, do skating, cycling, whatever you want. And I was just showing you 1, 2, 3, 4 bags was my shopping, and I will go home and show you nicely what I purchased. So here I was just showing you the bag. I was so tired and I thought, like, instead of going directly to the home, better will sit outside because the weather was really nice. It wasn't cold, so I was just enjoying, and I thought I will sit nicely and breathe for 5 minutes in the fresh air because it's been so long I did not come out. And so I was feeling so good to be in the people, back again. And I thought I will show you as well. You can see people come here with their cycle, with their dog, with their pet, and they enjoy as well. So this is really a nice place. If you are free, if you have some spare time, you can come to this mall which is Manufactura, and you can sit outside, enjoy your meal or your drink or your coffee, anything. You can see outside it is very, very, very big ground, and the mall is on the other end, on the edges, and in the middle you have a very, very big space to sit and enjoy. You can see the weather, the clouds, they are looking so beautiful. And but the thing is, here you have to walk a lot, so you better don't come in your heels, otherwise it will be really difficult for you to walk. So better come in your walking shoes or a comfortable footwear so you can easily walk and enjoy your day. So I was sitting here and I was so hungry because I told you in the morning I just had my tea and small breakfast, and we came directly for the shopping because the shops are open only for half time, and after that you have to do the billing by yourself, which I find little complicated because sometimes it's difficult to scan what you take, like especially the vegetables and all. So I prefer to take it in the times. And here I was showing you the snack which I took so that I can eat outside in the nice weather in the open air. So here I have taken some puff, which we called in India, and here you can call it some bread, and the inside it was like chocolate and some Nutella. So it was the stuffed puff, the chocolate puff, which I was enjoying outside with my cold drink. And so I was just showing you, I was so hungry, I thought I will eat here itself instead of going at home and then eat. So now I'm back in the tram and I was ready to go home. So you can see that I was in the tram, and the tram was also almost full. I did not find a place as well to sit, so I was standing in the back, and I thought I will take a clip as well to show you. Now I am back home and I thought I will quickly give you a round what I bought for today instead of showing you one by one, because I did a lot of grocery haul videos. So I was just showing you quickly what I bought in my kitchen itself. You can see 4 butters I have taken, 2 frozen green peas because the fresh ones are not available here, so frozen ones are really good to use. And this 4 butter I have taken to make ghee maslu at home. If you want to know the recipe how I make ghee at home out of butter, so you can write me in the comment section. I will shoot that for you. And here I have taken some concentrated tomato which I use for my curries, for the butter paneer and any curry which I make. I use this tomato paste to give a nice color. I have taken some hand soap, salt and coconut oil. I make my oil at home, the onion oil. If you want to know that, you can write in the comment section. I will show you that as well. I have taken 1 snack packet, the Bombay mix, which was easily available in the shop. some soya chunks to make the soya masala curry. I have taken 3 packets because I love soya. It is really healthy and good for your health. So I have taken 3 packets to make this soya chunks. I have taken a nice chocolate cake for myself. I love chocolate cake. A big can of oil for frying and 2 bottles of milk because I have some more bottles in my fridge already. So I just wanted 2. And 2 eggplants, some onion, 2 green capsicum, some sweet corns, and some tomatoes, potato, and some lemon. And so this was my grocery for today, and I have taken some other cosmetic which I have already kept in my almirah because I thought that is of no use to show you guys. But if you wanted to see, I will show you some other day. So that's all I was showing you in the fridge. I have some milk. So that's all for today. Now I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.